everybody. So the one thing I wanted to go over is your travel cubes. A lot of people don't know what that is. So I talked a little bit about that Ellen Tracy bag, but the travel cube is the most important thing to make this work if you're trying to use a bag that's in a certain dimension, okay? So the travel cube, how it works is basically what you do, you're gonna roll your clothes. So I take a pair of pants, like so, and I roll them. So wherever you go, make sure you have an iron, because you're gonna need one. So you're gonna take your pants and you're gonna roll it, like so, in order to make your bag fit into that personal item for Spirit or Frontier or whoever you're traveling. You're gonna roll your pair of pants. And some people have mentioned putting a rubber band around it, but I don't do that. You roll it, here's a top, these two go together. So you got your pants, you got your top. I take a lot of little halter tops wherever I go. So you can take as many as you can because they don't take up a lot of space. When you're done rolling this, it basically doesn't take up any space. You're gonna roll it, and normally I roll a little better. I'm just not trying to take up a lot of your time, but rolling it, putting it here, there's a halter top, here's another halter top here. And if you notice how many things that you can get in your suitcase based on you rolling your clothes, you're gonna roll it to the smallest that you can roll it, and then you're gonna put it in here, like so. And then this is a dress, okay? And if you can take a lot of clothes on vacation if you learn the art of just rolling these items and rolling them as minute as you can and put them in here. And then you've got about 3 to 4 days worth of clothing that you can do. This is a jumpsuit, this is a dress. This is a top rather. But if you put all these things in here correctly, you can take a lot of stuff with you on vacation. You're gonna zip this up, and then this will go into your bag. I mentioned the Ellen Tracy bag. It was a very good go-to bag. That's this bag here. This is the bag that's gonna get you on Frontier Airline without paying the $70. This is an amazing bag here. Take your travel cube here and you're gonna plop it right down. Take all this crap I got out of here into the bag, like so. You still got a lot of room, see? And then here are your shoes. These are my little sandals. Make sure you don't put your shoes in the width part. Put it on the side because you'll have more than enough space if you're packing this way and you're packing lengthwise. That's gonna help you not to have to spend $70. You still have a whole lot more room there, and that's gonna be your trick. Guys, I hope this helps. Please let me know. Give me some comments at the end of the video. Let me know if this helped you because I really wanted to help, because I do see that $70 is, you're not saving any money if you're spending $70 on bags each way. If you got a plane fare for $200 and then you're spending another $140 on bags, then you might as well fly on Southwest or somebody that gives you a free bag. So in order to save money, let's band together, save some money. Let me know if you love this video. Thank you. Take care.